Get your nails done, get a pedicure, get your hair did.
Hey, this is your girl Sierra Gifted Hands. I'm going to be doing a quick look, show my makeup techniques. I use bronzer right up on my cheekbones, underneath my foundation. You'll see it. Why? Just a new technique that I am trying. I currently use Too Faced Born This Way. The color I use is tiramisu. I'm using a sponge to put on my foundation, just to do it real quickly. And this color, I love this color. It actually comes on this way, but it will be oxidizing into my skin. I'm currently highlighting my makeup. Just a quick look, nothing fancy. I am using the setting powder. It is by Black Opal, a translucent powder. Here is the unit. It's a closure wig. We ombre it a golden blonde. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is a roller set look with our closure unit, Empress, with Goddess Heirwear. Mwah. Leave a comment below.